Hello, my name's Larry Phelps. I'm the Executive General Manager at Park Chevrolet in Kernersville. Just wanted to give a shout out for one of our local businesses here, electronic company ERD, Industrial Electronic Repair. These guys approached us about repairing an electronic sign that we have here that's been here for a long time. It's a landmark really in the community. And I had several quotes previous to that. That were substantially more expensive and much more intricate than what these guys were able to provide for us. They were able to repair this sign quickly and efficiently and very cost effectively. I think they deserve a shout out for that, and real appreciative. They've earned our trust, and we're going to continue to do business with these guys as we move down the road here. Give them a shot if you've got anything that falls in that neighborhood. Give them a shot, and I think you'll be impressed with the time, the resources, and the money that they are able to save you, and the quality of the repair and the work that they do.